Hello everyone, today we learn how to verify the LinkedIn account. First of all, you need to create a LinkedIn account. The name of the LinkedIn account are same of your passport, because today we verified our LinkedIn account using this passport. Now open the LinkedIn app and click on the View Profile. When you click on the View Profile, then you saw the Verify Now button. Then click on the Verify Now button. Then you saw that Verify Your Identity with Persona. Click here. Then you check this box to confirm and accept and continue. Give Soma information about your passport, select your country, and click on the Continue button, and that your passport is confirm e-passport, and click on the Continue button and check the passport symbol. Upload your photo or then your passport is processing. When the processing is complete, review the passport details, likes your name, passport number, birth date, expiration date, and click on the Continue button. Then select your location using the scan of the chip and continue. When the scanning is complete, scan your face, left side and right side, and processing your face scanning and all the details of your passport. Then you click on the Yes button. This time your LinkedIn verification is done. When your LinkedIn account is verified, IDs look like this. Thanks for watching this video.